Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. This is Abdul Samad and I am presenting on the topic of transparent hands. The presentation is to be submitted to Dr. Nasir. Now, Transparent Hand is an NGO that has been working in Pakistan since 2014. The aim of this organization is to provide free medical and surgical care to the undeserving community of Pakistan. About its introduction, it is located in Lahore in Faisal Town. Their email address and contact number are as mentioned. Now, Transparent Hand is the largest technological platform for crowdfunding in the healthcare sector of Pakistan. They offer complete range of free healthcare services, including medical and surgical treatments, medical camps, telehealth facilities to the underprivileged community of Pakistan, underprivileged and undeserving community of Pakistan, those who deserve a treatment but lack the facilities to do so. The goal of Transparent Hand is to reach millions of needy patients or needy people across Pakistan who are suffering because they lack basic healthcare facilities or they lack the resources for the basic healthcare facilities. Now, the organization is currently situated in Lahore, so it is also heavily working in Lahore. Most of the hospitals or institutions that are affiliated with this organization, they are mainly situated in Lahore and the peripheries of Lahore. Some of the organizations that are working with them are also working in Rawalpindi, Chakwal, Mia Channu. They continue to serve the humanity at large by providing the best health care treatment in Pakistan and beyond. Now, they ensure their excellence in this area to provide a transparent funding system for the betterment of poor patients in Pakistan. Now, Transparent Hands endeavors to help needy patients by providing them free treatment and an opportunity to the contributors to donate in a connected and a transparent environment. Now, the donors would know where their money is being spent or on whose treatment their money is being spent. That is a transparent system by them. You can donate to them via zakat or through it is also working in America as well, so people donate over there via Thanksgiving donations or Christmas donations, and in Pakistan you can donate via your zakat. Now, the vision of Transparent Hand is to expand its healthcare services all over Pakistan, and after doing that, its aim is to move towards the education sector and provide education or provide means of education for all those children that are not currently being educated either due to lack of resources, etc. The mission of Transparent Hand is that Transparent Hand is committed to relieve the sufferings of the people. They do it by providing a state-of-art facility or a treatment facility to the people, and they also give an opportunity to the donors to support them in a connected and a transparent manner. Now, how does it work? It works by relieving the pain of people, of all the underprivileged people or underprivileged community or undeserving community of Pakistan's families. They transform their lives by providing free surgical treatment to them or free medical treatment to them depending upon their needs. And also, the moment the matter of the fact is that in Pakistan, a lot of people they don't have access to primary health care. So as a consequence, many of those people they usually because of lack of the primary health facilities, the people they do not get themselves routinely checked up or diagnosed, and mostly when they do get diagnosed is when their disease has progressed to advanced stages. So this is where the donor help is required the most. Now, what are the hospitals affiliated with them? The hospitals affiliated with them are Northwest General Hospital, that is in Peshawar, Bakhtawar Amin Hospital in Multan, Patel Hospital in Karachi, Medicare Hospital in Satellite Town Rawalpindi, Hope Rehabilitation Center Maqsood Zia in Mol, that is the Cancer Institute also in Lahore, and Begum Noor Memorial Hospital in Chakwal. Also, all these hospitals except Abid Hospital, they are all situated in Lahore. As I mentioned earlier, they are heavily working in Lahore. And also, except for Hayat Wali Medical Center, Ittifaq Niazi and Lahore Medical Complex, they are situated in Lahore. Now, the summary of the whole organization was to make known to make Transparent Hands known by it is the Pakistan's largest crowdfunding technology. platform that is working in the healthcare sector in Pakistan. They provide the underprivileged population of Pakistan with free healthcare services that include medical and surgical procedures and medical camps, telehealth facilities, and they have a vision to extend its facilities healthcare facilities to all over Pakistan, and then move towards the education sector. It is committed to alleviate the sufferings of the deserving and underprivileged community with providing them state of art facilities and affordable, inclusive, and those are affordable, inclusive, and readily available, while giving donors the ability to help them in a connected and transparent way.